Good day, viewers. Welcome to another biology presentation. So in this presentation, I want us to answer this question that is coming from blood groups. So the question reads, a boy has type A blood and his mother has type B blood. What are the possible genotypes and phenotypes of his father? So here we are looking at a boy, okay? So this boy, the phenotype, so we start with the phenotype of this boy. So phenotype of the boy, he has the blood group A. Okay, now let us look at his genotype. So the genotype of this boy, since he has blood group A, we can have homozygous. Okay, we can have homozygous, which is AA, or we can have heterozygous with the recessive allele O. So we can have heterozygous like this, the recessive O, meaning A is dominant. So this person is blood group what? A. Now we are told that his mother is having blood group B. So let us look at the mother in this case. So the mother, we are saying for the mother, the phenotype will be, the phenotype is blood group what? B. This is for the mother. The mother, the phenotype is blood group B. Then what about the genotype of the mother? So the genotype of the mother, so she can be homozygous as well with BB. Okay, or she can have, or she can be heterozygous with the dominant allele for B, for blood group B, and the recessive allele for blood group what? O. So this is for the mother. Now the question is, what are the possible genotypes and phenotypes of his father? So to determine the genotype and phenotype of the father, we need to look at the boy's genotype. Okay, so if he's having AA, okay, and the mother is having genotype BB. Okay, so for this boy to inherit A, again another A allele from the mother, it means that the mother should also carry the allele for A. So this tells us that the mother cannot have this genotype BB, because if we get this AA, it wouldn't match if we do the crossing. Okay, now if we go with this genotype of the son, which is heterozygous with the recessive allele O. So if the son is having the dominant allele for blood group A and the recessive O for blood group O, it's possible that he can get the O from where? From the mother. Okay, the O from the mother. Now where is this A coming from? This A has to come from the father. Okay, so this tells us that for the father, now we look at the father. Let us look at the possible phenotype. The father now, the possible phenotype that he can have. Okay, because we have seen that in the child is having the allele for blood group A. Okay, the mother is either this or this. So for the father now is going to be, the father now is going to be blood group, can either be blood group A, okay, or can either be blood group what? AB. This is for the father, okay? Can either be blood group A or blood group AB, so that the child can also get one of the allele for blood group what? A. So this is the possible phenotype of the father. Now, what about the possible genotype of the father? So we look at the genotype now of the father. This is the genotype of the father. So the possible genotype of the father now, we can say it can be A, or it can be heterozygous with a dominant allele for blood group O and the recessive allele for O. Okay, so this would be the possible genotype of the what? Of the father. I hope it's clear. So we have answered our question. Thank you so much, everybody.